how to overcome body dysmorphia. Now look, I've had body dysmorphia for a long time. I still have it, and my best advice is hitting the gym. All right, end of the video. No, but real talk. If you're watching this and you probably actually clicked on this video, yeah, my best advice really is actually hitting the gym. Like I don't know what else to say. Like, if you have body dysmorphia, hit the gym and eat 3 times a day or twice a day. And if you feel like you're super fat, then run. Running is good. If you feel like you're super skinny, then eat. Eating is good. Listen to my song Dysmorphia. It's a great record. I'm gonna put out a video, a skit, like kind of just highlighting the process cinematically of overcoming your own body dysmorphia. I've already put out one video like that. It's really a mental disorder for the most part, because if you're jacked and you're just looking at yourself like, dude, bro, I'm so skinny. Like I don't know really how to help you, bro. You're just weird. Like, you just need to go do squats at the gym again, and you just need someone to tell you you're beautiful. And so I'm here to tell you right now, you're beautiful. Don't be weird. You're beautiful. I love you, and you're beautiful. Okay? You are gorgeous. God made you beautiful. I mean beautiful. You're the most beautiful thing of all of creation. You see that lion? Humans have conquered the lion. Felines, one time in our evolution, if you believe in evolution, literally used to slaughter humans and commit genocide regularly against humans. There was a point where there was 3,000 humans left in Africa, and the lions were hunting us to absolute extinction. But then one lion king decided, hey, we're going to stop hunting the humans. We're going to go switch our prey to gazelle. We feel bad for those humans, and they just can't climb trees, and they don't have tools. They're not going to do nothing when we hunt them. So the lions, to spare us, decided not to extinct us. That's when we discovered language. We started communicating. We created stone tools. And then we were like, all right, fuck this. We ain't going to get killed by no more lions. And then we started hitting them with rocks and shit. They still slaughtered us. But then when we invented fire, that's when the tables turned.
Hey, Samari.
Hi, David. When we invented fire, those lions were like,
morning.
What the heck? Those monkeys have magic. Oh, shit, run, run, run. And that's when us humans became the alpha of this planet. We conquered this planet when we discovered fire. Point is, there's an equivalent in that you must conquer your own self by discovering your inner fire. My best advice for discovering your own inner fire is realizing that you are who you really are. You just don't have an identity crisis. Dysmorphia is an identity crisis. You don't identify with being the amazing Greek god that you are. God made you perfect. You're like those marble statues that you see in the museums in Paris, Italy. And essentially, you're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. And I want you to really internalize that. That's why I keep complimenting you. Because you need to see how beautiful you are. You need to be like Michelangelo and carve yourself into the perfect Greek statue that you were meant to be. Make yourself a Greek statue. When I was 19 years old, or 18 years old, I had no girls. I used to be jealous of the guys that would get girls. And I still don't have girls. But the good news is I don't care anymore. I've accepted it. And when I was 18 also, I had no abs, I had no body, I skipped leg day all the time, I was addicted to illicit material on the internet, which is very naughty stuff. That's actually incredibly horrible for your brain. If you love to to be a degenerate, then go ahead, by all means, but, don't watch my channel. I don't want your filthy fingers typing in my comments. It's disgusting. Point is, I had a lot of problems at 18. I hated myself. I used to hate myself at 19. I used to look at the mirror and cry and think no one would love me. I would always be alone. And it was impossible for me to find love and ever be anything in life. And that was due to my parents never educating me. I'm not blaming them. It's just they never educated me on that. They also, I never had a Samari. I never followed
This
Samari
time I will
Ferrari.
wait for you like yesterday. I give you half an hour. If you're not ready half an hour, I'll leave it.
Okay. Also, I never subscribed to Samari Ferrari. You know, Samari Ferrari is here now to educate this next generation. You know, Gen Z. What's the other one? Gen Y. We're gonna educate you guys. Make sure you guys are productive adults. You know, so then that way we can make sure you're all rich. You guys send me $10,000 super chats every freaking live stream, and on top of that, you guys are also happy individuals coming to my concerts with your big beautiful families. Like, hey, look, he's the reason you're born, child. What? Yes, I was able to get girls, and so now you're born, and it was thanks to Samari teaching me how to be human. Wow, this is amazing. So yeah, this is all happening, but this requires you realizing that you are the most beautiful thing in all of creation. The human mind is a microcosm of the universe. The universe dwelleth within the human mind. Consciousness is completely manipulated. No, the universe is completely manipulated around consciousness. It's built around consciousness. It's absolutely fantastic. It's miraculous. This universe is a whole simulation. It's not even real. It's just an illusion. The only thing real is your mind. So you need to have a self-perception and identity of being a Greek god, of being marvelous, of understanding your beautiful power of manifestation. That's what I failed to have at 19. But then when my uncle Michael got out of prison, he said, bro, you are lit, bro. You could sing, bro. You handsome, bro. You could do all these amazing things, bro. Why are you tripping over girls, bro? And then I managed to lose my V card at 19, right when Michael got out of prison. I went up to a girl at the gym. He wasn't there, but I went up to a girl at the gym. I said, hey, mama, you're beautiful. I just wanted to get your number because you're so beautiful and I've never seen you. She was this black girl with just a juicy, juicy booty. It was so good, so good. And she was like, okay. And then she gave me her number. And I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I actually got her number. Holy cow. And I still had no idea what I was doing. I still wasn't sure of myself. Now, I mean, now I would have had her working for me now. Like, now I know exactly what girls need. I know exactly what women need, not girls. I know what women need, you know. But back then I didn't know because I didn't believe in myself. I had no faith in myself. And so I want you to have that faith in yourself, because if you have that faith in yourself, the faster you believe in yourself, the faster you start having a strong identity, the faster you're a functional human. You can finally get to the real work. You know, we got to get to work. And if you don't even believe you're anyone capable of doing anything, if you believe you're stupid, if you believe you're incapable, incompetent, then you're never going to get to work. And it's like, bro, you're wasting so much damn time, bro. We got so much to do. Okay, we got to get humanity to Mars. We got to get rich. We got to go ahead and heal our generations. We got to create immortality with artificial intelligence. We got a lot of shit to do, our generation. We got a lot of stuff to do. We got to bring the whole generation to Christ. So not everyone's just, you know, lost and purposeless and headed for hell. Like, we got to make sure everyone is good, you know. So we got a lot of work to do, guys. We got to lock in. So, you know, ask me any more questions you have in the DMs for the body dysmorphia. You know, I haven't double body dysmorphia in a while. I made a whole song about it though. You know, I still feel like I'm skinny. I still feel like I'm not fit yet, or as fit as I could be. And you know, I love it. I love it because then it just makes me want to suffer harder in the gym. Just go hard. You know what I'm saying? So, hopefully this answers your question, guys. I love you. Kisses.
Said, Happy Black History Month.
Happy Black History Month. Yeah, I am a black man. I'm a black man. Holy cow. That's so cool. And it's my month. I get a whole month and you guys gotta celebrate me. Alright. Ladies, line up. It's Black History Month. Line up. Line up. It's Black History Month. Come on. Come on. I'm a black male. Where's my flowers? Guys, my ancestors were slaves. Why isn't anyone celebrating me? Come on, celebrate. Thank you for the Black History Month comment. Good stuff. Feels good to be celebrated. Why does Pride Month get more fun than Black History Month, huh? It's not fair. Pride Month gets to have way more fun than Black History Month. Well, good news, I get to celebrate Pride Month too because... No, I'm just joking.